Hello, good morning, my dear children. Today I am going to teach phonetic sounds of ch sounds. So, all of you listen here, read these words. Okay, these are the ch sounds pictures and their words. Ch for chim, chim, cheese, cheese, children, children, chair, chair, chin, chin, chicken, chicken, chocolate, chocolate, chips, chips, cherry, cherry, chuck, chuck, child, child, cheetah, cheetah, church, church. These are the ch sounds. Then here, ch for chip, cheese, children, chair, chin, chicken, chocolate, chips, cherry, chuck, child, cheetah, church, and chain. These are the ch sounds. So all of you read and write here. Okay. And here is the sh sound. Which one? Sh sound. So sh, sheep, shoe, shop, shell, shark, shadow, shirt, ship, wash, fish, dish, bush, rush, shut. Sh. Which sound is this? Sh. Okay. She, shoe, shop, shell, shark, shadow, shirt, ship, wash, fish, dish, bush, rush, shut. Here, she, shoe, shop, shark, shell, shadow, ship, wash, shirt, dish, fish, rush, bush, shirt. Okay. So, in teacher രണ്ട് sound പഠിപ്പിച്ചത് ch, sh. Okay. So, all of you write in your textbook ch sound words and sh sound words. Okay. So, എല്ലാവരും ആ വർക്ക് ചെയ്ത് ടീച്ചർക്ക് സെൻഡ് ചെയ്ത് തരാം. Okay. Thank you, my dear kids.